Hello, my dear student. Myself Sanjay Sharma. I am your physics teacher from Rishikul Vidyapeeth, Sonipat. I am again here with my module 2 of class 12, unit 1, electrostatics. In this module, we will study about Coulomb's law. Coulomb's law is the electrical analog of Newton's gravitational law, and in Newton law, Newton has taken 2-point masses and Coulomb has taken 2-point charges. When the 2-point charges are kept at a certain distance in a medium, then the force of interaction between the 2-point charges is always directly proportional to the modulus of the product of two charges and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. If we combine these two equations, then we can write F is directly proportional to Q1 Q2 upon R square. And we all know that if we want to remove directly proportional sign, then we have to use any constant. And here the constant is K. The value of K is depend on the unit of measurement and the medium between the 2-point charges. If the medium between the 2-point charges is air, free space or vacuum, then the value of K equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. Here epsilon naught is the absolute electrical permittivity. In case of another medium except these three, we can write K equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon. Here epsilon is called as absolute electric permittivity of the dielectric medium. The combination of epsilon and epsilon naught is equal to dielectric constant, or you can say relative permittivity, which is known as K equals to epsilon r equals to epsilon upon epsilon naught. So in vacuum, F equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 upon R square. And in medium, F equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon Q1 Q2 upon R square. If we want to put the value of epsilon, we can write 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught epsilon r Q1 Q2 upon R square. Here the value of epsilon naught equals to 8.8542 into 10 raised to the power minus 12 Coulomb square per Newton per meter square. The value of 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught approximately equal to 9 into 10 raised to the power 9 Newton meter square per Coulomb square. Now the vector form of Coulomb's law. Generally this question comes in board exam. Examiner asks what is the significance of Q1 Q2 is more than 0. You all know that if we multiply two charges and the product become more than 0 mean it is positive. It is possible only when both the charges are positive or both the charges are negative. If both the charges are like charges, then the force between them is like charges mean repulsive force. And if Q1, Q2 is less than 0, it means one charge is positive, another is negative. Then the force between them is attractive in nature. Now, units of charge. In SI system, the unit of charge is Coulomb. So 1 Coulomb can also be defined as the charge is that charge which when placed at rest in vacuum at a distance of 1 meter from an equal and similar stationary charge repels it, and it repelled by it with a force of 9 into 10 raised to the power 9 Newton. In CGS system, the charge unit is electrostatic system unit is state Coulomb, or you can say ESU of charge. We can define in the same manner as we have defined 1 Coulomb. There are many other units of charge are given on the screen. Now the relative permittivity, dielectric constant we can define. Dielectric constant or relative permittivity can be defined as the ratio of the epsilon upon epsilon naught. They can also be defined with the force in vacuum and force in medium. Dielectric constant have no unit. This was all about related with this module, and with another module I will come after some time. Dear student, the content used in PPT is comprised of NCERT, reference book and different site of Google. Myself Sanjay Sharma, HOD Physics, Rishikul Vidyapeeth, Sonipat. Thank you.